Festival. We're about to go in. We have just kept our bike. We'll go and explore what's there. Let's go. You have to take a ticket for 20 rupees to get inside the Daijing Festival. We are just near the gate. We're about to get in. You can see the view behind. Let me show you. Yeah, we are in now. Let's go and explore. Then on the left side, first thing that we saw is the camel ride. You can see it behind. You can see this beautiful restaurant. Let me show you. It's decorated with Bodo traditional dress with aronai and all those stuffs. It's beautiful. We have just crossed, and after crossing the bridge, you can find the elephant ride or the elephant safari here. I think the campsite, huge big camps are behind me. I don't think you can see it in the screen. Elephant ride, you can enjoy it in Bhairavkunda Festival also, and the same helicopter that you see here, that will be going in Bhairavkunda Festival, so you can enjoy it there also. I don't know how much they are asking for this ride. Guys, you can enjoy river rafting too. I think you can see it there. So if you happen to visit this place, Daijing Festival, it's going to be held till 7th of January. So you can enjoy river rafting, elephant safari, and there are lot more. So I'll show you what more is there. After spending some time, we came towards the marketplace. And yeah guys, that is Daijing Eye, like London Eye. So this is Daijing Eye. So when you come, you can enjoy. I don't know what else is there. Yeah, some rice are there. Some handicrafts. Wooden kettle. How do you say? Huh? 2500. Right now we are walking into the local casino, Beijing casino maybe. So let's go and see what's there. Dauri Khela is there. Okay, let's see. Let me try my luck here in the local casino. You can play for rupees, starting from rupees 10 to 100 till 200. So I'll try for 20. I don't have luck, so 22. 7. I lost my money, 20 rupees gone. So guys, if you visit Beijing, it's best to visit in the evening because of the lighting, and during day you cannot see any lighting. So the best time to visit is from the evening when the sun sets and it begins to get dark, and at that time actually the traffic is also high, so get ready to encounter some heavy traffic. We are getting inside the market now. I think this is cloth market. Beautiful caps. And now we are heading towards the helipad. $350.
Hey Mustafa!
Some Nike track shoes. Ada backboard kiman ke? Ikita?
Itu 425 টাকা।
Itu?
Itu 450.
450. Okay, right now we are heading towards the helipad. Let's see, and then we'll be done, and I'll try to cover the Broken Rice stage 2 at Chapaguri, Bongaigaon. So see you, bye bye, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and like it and share it.